joint capsule inflammation, and articular cartilage damage as the main factors causing early arthritis have become pressing problems that doctors and patients urgently need to address. After years of research and development, the Just Medical Research Center in the United States has successfully achieved a breakthrough in MIF micron-level filtration technology and NFP nano-level fat extraction technology. These two technologies are perfectly combined to introduce the innovative intra-lead SVF extractor. The MIF micron-level filtration technology uses custom micron-sized filter screens to instantly collect and filter adipose tissue under low vacuum pressure. This reduces the force on the adipose tissue to maintain its basic structure, effectively removes ineffective components from the adipose tissue, and reduces the risk of contamination. It generates optimized adipocyte count and adipocyte activity. The NFP nano-level fat extraction technology uses mechanical processing to nano-emulsify large-diameter fat particles. The resulting product, NanoFat 2.0, is rich in effective components such as SVF, various anti-inflammatory factors, and growth factors. It enhances the expression of anti-inflammatory factors and accelerates articular cartilage repair. Cartistem brings a new healthy life to more early arthritis patients.